this is Mom Lizz again. Welcome to my channel. And today, I'm going to show you the stuff that we bought today. This is a stainless power juicer, and it is a product of Smith and Nova. So we are going to open now, and I'm going to show you. We just bought it today in the shop in Harris Scarf in Marion Center. So here, it's got a manual, instruction manual. So here it is. So let's open. Come on. Okay. Right. Here it is. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is the machine to make a fruit juice and vegetable juice. Guys, this is really different from the blender, because blender you also eat the pulp, and also in blender I cannot make like a carrot juice, because it's too small for the carrot. So this one is very good because it has a chute here to put the carrots or apple, or just put the whole apple here, and it makes juice, a very fresh juice, and it is a healthy. So I got this one also when I am in Philippines. It's a different one, but this one is a different also. Mine is bigger in Philippines than this one. I usually make carrot, pineapple, and apple. So those three fruits and vegetables, they are very good. I have read about this. They are very good. It is very good for controlling bad cholesterol, or to stop bad cholesterol. Yeah. There you go. Now let's read what are these parts. So it has a food pusher. This one is the food pusher. You will push the food here, down here, like that. And the next one is feeding chute. This is the one, the feeding chute. This one, you have to shoot the food here, on the fruit. And next is lid safety lock. So this is the lid safety lock. This one. That's it. Before you turn on, you have to make sure that it is locked. And the next is pot container. Yeah, this one is the pot container. This one. So the pot goes here. It separates from the juice. And the other one is, this is the on and off dial. This one. If you want to turn it off, turn it on. This is the turn it off dial. And what else? Power indicator. This one. This one is the power indicator. Alright. And the juice comes out here in this part. It has the power cord. This is the power cord. So let's try if it has a power. I kept the receipt just in case it's not working. I can return to the, this is a small, a very short cord. Okay, I need to go there in the bench. Okay. It doesn't thing, rubber thing under, so it's not moving while you are making a juice. Yeah. I'll just try this one. Check it if it's working. Here we go. So let's try it. The cord is too short, that's why I need to come closer here. Okay. Where's the power indicator? Okay, now you can see the blue color. That means it has a power. This is the power indicator. Okay, so I will try to make a fruit juice now.
You wash it first?
Yeah, I will wash it first. Okay guys, so this is the new juicer. Thank you very much to all of you for watching my vlog, and I hope to see you again in the next vlog. And I will show you also later in the next vlog how I make the juice. Thank you. Bye bye. Wait,